This is harmonica 1 and 2. I'm going to step down here because I'm not performing. This is some of my people been with me for a while. Some of them are brand new. We're going to play a Sonny Boy Williamson song. Give me a check for this.